Hello Qlik Nation, I am Igor Alcantara and I'm here to show you the recipe of the drink that I craft for Qlik Connect, Qlik Fusion, but a drink that you can keep enjoying even after the event. I made a promise that if my session at Qlik Connect was at full capacity, then I'll show you the secret recipe. You guys showed up, so I'm here to show you how to make this drink. It's actually very simple. All you need is a Swedish vodka. It has to be Swedish because that's Qlik's origin. And you need an Apple Liqueur. You need Absinthe. If you have like the green fairy, like green color Absinthe, that's best. And then just lemon juice. I'm using this for practicality, but fresh lemon juice is better. And triple sec. That's it. And of course, some ice. So here's what you're gonna do. You get 2 ounces of vodka, and you get 1 ounce of the apple liqueur, and just a little bit of the absinthe, just a little bit. Go easy on the absinthe because it's really strong and gets a little smell as well. Then you get the lemon juice, just 2 squishes, and then 1 gentle squish of the triple sec. All right, then you just mix it all. All right, and then you pour some ice. Depending on how much dilution you wanna get it, that's a typical word. Then you put more or less ice, and then you do a second mixing. There we go. You get a very good smell, great taste. It's refreshing, it's fruity, there's a little kick. You got the green color, as we all like in Qlik. And there you go. This is a Qlik Fusion, so you can make it to your friends and you're ready to have fun and Qlik. Hope you enjoy it. Thank you. Goodbye.